Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Edge 60 with leather-inspired silicone finish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with POLED 1.5K quad curved display, 6.67 inches Super HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 96.32%. Screen to body ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, HDR10+. Color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony LYT700C sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 10 megapixel 73mm 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.0 and support optical image stabilization, and with 50 megapixel 12mm ultra-wide-angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.0 and LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of Android 15 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB. Via micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 73 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams, and the color options, Pantone Plum Perfect, Pantone Gibraltar Sea, Pantone Shamrock colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 68-watt wired turbo power fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, military-grade durability support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 has been priced for 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at £380 sterling. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.